Hudson, watch. Ryan, this is construction! Don't touch Watch out! One more time! One more time, Hudson! Now one more time! Forward! Look at me! Ah! Okay, now Hudson. You guys, you were. I think the boat too. Hey, look. Hudson, leave it. No, you gotta leave it on me.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Is the record light on?
Yeah. Hudson, no, you gotta leave it on me, okay? And Jesse, okay? Leave it like that.
Perfect.
Daddy, I'm doing deep for him. Daddy, I'm doing the basketball hoop too, and
Moving it.
I know it's. And Hudson, leave it like that. Don't touch it. No, you're moving it, Hudson. This one doesn't matter. Move it this way because I want to see me. This way. I did it. No, you didn't. You gotta move it forward. That's good. Leave it. Okay.
First check it and then make sure his hands are off it.
Hudson, don't touch it, okay?
I'm not.
Because Daddy wants. Yep, it's good.
Hudson, don't touch it.
Hi, this is Feed for Hand. Done. Hudson, did you get my recording?
I did.
You did good. Dad, we just got some really good footage of me. I flipped over going backwards. That hurt. Okay, Hud.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Here, let's get Jesse. Guys, Jesse's coming up. Oh yeah, dirt biker Jesse. Zoom in on him. Dirt biker Jesse. Let's go, Jesse. Hudson, move over. You're in the middle of the camera.
No.
Hudson, we can't see Jesse.